Can EV chargers drive customer behavior and open new business opportunities? Let's look at the numbers. Studies show that businesses within 200 meters of an EV charger see an increase in visitors and spending, about 4% more foot traffic and 5% higher sales. And this is only expected to increase as electric vehicles become more common. EV drivers tend to stay longer while their car charges, leading to more time spent at nearby stores. Retail developers worldwide are recognizing this trend. And in the US and Europe, shopping centers and town hubs are installing EV chargers to enhance their customer experience, encourages longer visits, and support the growing shift towards electric mobility. Australian businesses have the same opportunity to offer this service and benefit from increasing number of EV drivers on the road. However, simply installing EV chargers isn't enough. Reliability and uptime play a critical role in making sure customers return. If a charger is frequently down or difficult to use, drivers may go elsewhere. A well-maintained, user-friendly charging station isn't just a convenience, it's a long-term asset for any business. A trusted software platform helps businesses optimize their EV chargers to provide a better experience for both customers and site owners. You'll be able to attract more customers by increasing dwell time, generate new streams of revenue through your EV charger, increase brand visibility by being listed on EV charging apps, ensuring reliability through ongoing support and maintenance. Your business isn't about providing charging stations, it's about providing the best possible experience for your customers. Adding a much needed convenient facility will only create a smarter, more connected experience. As EV adoption continues to grow, having a well-managed charging solution can help your businesses stay ahead. Explorum is a part of Australia's expanding public charging network, helping businesses make the most of their EV charging stations. If you're considering adding EV chargers to your site, now is the best time to start exploring the benefits.